Welcome to dptutorials. In today's video, we will be tackling a unique and practical Excel tip how to copy and paste multiple cells into a single cell as a stacked column. This is the column with the data that we want to combine into a single cell. Trick 1. We will use the concatenate function. We will use the concatenate function along with char 10 for line breaks. Select the cell where you want the combined data to appear, F11. Enter the formula in F11 as equals to concatenate, open the parentheses, select the cell C5, char 10, C6, char 10, C7, char 10, select C8, char 10, select C9 and close the parentheses and press enter. This is combined now. To display the combined data as a stacked column, we need to enable text wrapping. Now, the combined data in the cell will appear as a stacked column. Got it? Trick 2. Using clipboard. Expand this clipboard space by clicking on the arrow button. Copy cells C5 to C9. Immediately you will see the copied items here. Now go to cell G11. Double click to enter the cell or click F2 and click on the copied item to paste from the left hand clipboard and press enter to see the stacked column within this cell G11. It's simple and nice, right? Now let us see the third trick using VBA. Go to the VBA editor window, insert module and paste the VBA code here. The same has been mentioned in the description for your reference. Go back to the Excel sheet. Run the macro after selecting the cells you want to combine. You will get the stacked column in the beside cell. You may wrap text if you do not find the pasted stacked column. Understood? And that's how one can copy and paste multiple cells into a single cell as a stacked column in Excel. This technique can save your time and make your data more organized and presentable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.